All right, welcome to another episode of Initial Speed. I'm your host, Phil, and well, we're gonna do something a little different this time. Make sure that thing's locked up. All right, let me show you what I'm currently looking at. This is what I'm currently looking at. Damn, RS5, Panamera. Is that a Supra, bro? It's actually pretty nice. All right, I'll tell you why I'm here. Yorkville Exotic Show. So I don't know if you remember last year we caught the tail end of a car show. This year we're earlier, even though there was a lot of traffic and we're a little later than we wanted to be here for, we got here. And that's all that matters. So let's go check out some crazy exotics. That's my baby right there. If I can't get a 355, this would be next. Oh, Lotus. Sorry, I wasn't able to turn the camera fast enough, but I'm sure you'll see it at some point. Oh. All right, now we're talking.
Wherever you want.
Oh.
I just want to hit him with hand. We already got
360 Spider, 360 hardtop. Oh, look at the line. Come on. Oh, there's an F40. All right, you know what? I think I'm gonna have to change tactics and get it from behind. Let's get it from the back. Oh, with the F1 grill. Come on, why are you doing this to me, baby? Ugh. Testarossa. And the daddy, one of the daddies. So sweet, so sweet. A lot of people around, but you know what? We're gonna make this work regardless. Okay, let's get a look at that 430 Spider, 430 hardtop, 430 Spider. Oh, 599. Oh, and then you, of course, have the 488. Come on, baby. Oh, the 458, sorry, is a V8. For those that are, curious, don't know. And of course, you've got a little Batmobile type action. So nice. I'm loving the spoiler, the trunk lid. So good. Again, so much wind. Oh, rough turbo, I believe. There's your XJ220. She's a wide boy, long and wide. That's what she said. Wow, even the paint, man. Damn. Carbon with no clear over it. So good, so good. Nice, Huracan. Well, you know me in green, so I'd definitely rock it in a second. It's an Evo as well. So Huracan Evo. Carbon ceramic rotors, 6 piston fronts, 4 piston rears, just like mine. So I guess we could say that it's the same car. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. But it is very nice. Forged carbon, as well as the diffuser. With the Alcantara dash. I'm sure the seats are as well. Mad! been here all day, as you can see, and wow, I am tired. And a bit deaf from that 812. But damn! I thought last year my ear was gonna blow out. This year, that one I think was worse. The only difference is he didn't continually rev it. He just one shot, two shot, and that was that. Right now we're waiting for a little surprise. What the heck, I'm gonna tell you. We're waiting for the F40 to roll out. Can't wait for that one. Alright, well, I'm not sure if you saw that I had a very nice guy bump into me and knock over the camera. Anyhow, we got a little piece of the F40 rolling. And on that note, I'm a little irritated, so initial speed out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave those comments. Let me hear what you guys thought about this this car show. What would you call it? I'm not sure. All right. Till next time, guys. Initial speed out.
Whenever I look at you, wouldn't believe all of the things she put me through. This is why I just can't get through.